In our office kitchen, we have two microwaves right next to each other. One has a laminated sign taped above it that just says "No fish, use other microwave." Nobody currently working here knows who made the sign. It was already there when the oldest employee started, 6 years ago. The other microwave has no rules at all. Last month a new hire asked why we don't just use one good microwave. HR said the sign predates their system, and they don't have authority to remove a rule they didn't create. So we still have two microwaves. One has fish privileges. One doesn't. Nobody has ever explained why they both smell exactly the same.